guys, Alyssa here with Diesel Power Products. If you're running an 03 to 07 Dodge Ram with a 5.9 Cummins and you're still running the stock manifold, you're not just losing performance, you're risking failure. Factory manifolds are known to crack, warp, and choke airflow, especially when you start pushing the truck. That's where this Afe Bladerunner Ductile iron exhaust manifold comes in. This manifold is built from high silicone ductile iron to handle extreme heat and stress, way better than what your stock could handle. Instead of restrictive factory runners, this manifold uses a merged runner design and matched ports to smooth airflow and reduce back pressure, helping your turbo work more efficiently. Meaning, smoother exhaust flow, lower EGTs, and a quicker turbo spool, especially if you're towing or pushing power. This is more than a performance upgrade. It's peace of mind every time you hit the throttle. Get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.